Hello guys, welcome back to my page. It is Cactus Uncle, and today we're doing something a little bit different. I'm going to do a unboxing video of sorts, where I offload some of the cactus from a larger like palletized shipment that we got here at the nursery. And here's some examples of all the cool stuff that I'm going to offload for you today. I tried to speed up the video a little bit so it wasn't too boring with me like opening the boxes and all that fun stuff. But let's go ahead and jump into it, guys. We'll start with the small stuff first. A lot of mammillarias, pharaoh cactus, things like that. This is Mammillaria melanocentra, and these are from Mexico. It's a relatively common species, and I really enjoy these. In Phoenix here, you have to be kind of picky, and this one takes Fulton like a champ out here. This guy is Pilosocereus pachyclaudus. These are from Brazil, so just knowing that it's a South American species, they can be kind of finicky in Phoenix. And moving on to Queen Victoria agave. This is a hard and fast common species of agave that is cultivated all around the country. People love this species. It's cold hardy, it's sun hardy, it's easy. And this guy, one of my favorites, they call him Owl Eye, and I'm sure you'll get the reference, no problem. But they're a really cool mammillaria, and these are also from Mexico, just like most of the other stuff in this box. This is they called them Pharaoh Cactus Covelii, but I'm pretty sure this is a hybrid because some of the ones, they just have different characteristics, whether it's thorns, color, all that fun stuff, shape. So yeah, but these are really pretty plants. And again, just unbeatable in Phoenix. Moving on, we have the Sorencia formosa. I really like this one, and it's semi-rare, so it's actually a cool one to collect. Orange flowers from South America. It's mostly Argentina and Bolivia, I believe. But yeah, one of my favorites to show you guys. That was a cool one. Melocactus maxonii. That's what the vendor had this labeled as. But I mean, we'll see as they grow. Melocactus easily cross-pollinate with each other, so you never know what you're gonna get. This one, common species. You guys have all seen this. They call them fire barrel. It's a pharaoh cactus hybrid. When these are mature with those red spines, they are gorgeous. And then next, we're gonna do a Gymnocalycium saglionis. These are honestly, I think, my favorite of the batch. Look how perfect they are and how flexed out they are. These are from Argentina, pink flowers, common name chin cactus. They're one of my favorites that we got in the batch. And I mean, you can just tell how healthy they are. I have to pull out a second one for you. Look how chunky, fat, green, new spine growth. I mean, they are just gorgeous plants. One of my favorites. And then right here we've got it. I think this one is Mammillaria nahapensis. And these can have variable flowers. I've seen everything from like an off-white to like a weird kind of almost pinkish to yellows. These are also Mexico natives, like many mammillarias. But you can see how they grow dichotomous growth. So that first one I showed you is a double, so it's growing dichotomously. This one's a single. There's some flowers on there too. And then here is more of the pharaoh cactus, the hybrids. And I'm confident that they're hybrids because there's just so much variability in the appearance of these box per box. So they definitely aren't pure Covelii, if that's even the correct pronunciation. But they are really nice plants. I pulled out a second one here to show you the variants. This one's got more curved spines, a little bit more color. Definitely unique plants. I think they're cross-pollinated or just open-pollinated. Another one that's a tried and true specimen out here in Phoenix is Celsiana. These have really pretty little red, pink flowers, and they're just hardy. They do really good in Phoenix even if we have a really harsh summer. So yeah, I gotta love mammillarias. You really can't go wrong with them. And then we've got some Queen Victoria agaves here. You guys know these. These are tried and true. I think we showed a couple earlier in the video. But yeah, Mexican natives. I think in habitat they're getting to be uh, endangered. So if you guys have any, take care of them. They are cool specimen plants. And then moving on, we'll go to the big stuff, guys. And just a reminder, guys, like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff if you can, if you want, if you like the page, I appreciate it. Share it with other friends and family. I'm trying to build out the page, but if there's any specific content that you guys want, please share it in the comments with me. I would love to make content just catered for you guys. So yeah, I'm here to impress, hopefully, guys. Thank you. Let's move on. So these are ponytail palms here. I'm sure you've seen these. Also from Mexico, really unique plants. They do grow massive over time. I've seen ones that are like 10, 12 feet tall. And then moving on again, here is probably one of the favorite plants that people enjoy buying from our nursery. Here is Mexican fence post. And there's just a good reason for that. They perform well, they take the sun, they take the cold pretty well. Easy plant for Phoenix out here. But they are technically native to central Mexico. So if you're in a part of Arizona that freezes, or a part of the country that freezes, you do have to protect them sometimes. Because central Mexico is a pretty darn warm place, even in the winter. So moving on here, we've got boxes of a little bit larger stuff, guys. These ones, Moroccan Mound, another popular one out here, not native to Arizona, but they perform out here even in the worst conditions. Full sun, reflective heat, all that fun stuff. You can't go wrong with Moroccan Mound. A lot of people just kind of throw it in the cactus category, but technically it's an African succulent. And then here we go. Here's bigger of the Pharaoh Cactus Stenacii, variant Pringlei, fire barrel. They're really nice plants. They perform well in Phoenix. A lot of people like them. Probably one of the more popular plants as well is the San Pedro cactus. People always love that bad boy. I think it's mostly because of the beautiful white flower that you get in the spring and the summer. So those are always fun. Alright guys, this is the last pallet here, and this one's a little bit different. The bottom of it is stuff we already went over, some of the fire barrels and the Moroccan mounds. The top has a few more San Pedro, but I also wanted to show you guys how we get some of our plants where they won't even have soil on them. It'll just be bare root. It's one of my favorite ways to buy plants when you're buying bulk, because you save a lot on shipping space, and usually the plants are a little bit cheaper. So here you go. That's a good example of a bare root Mexican fence post. So it's not just a cutting, it does have viable roots, and I usually put 2 or 3 in a bucket just to make it look like a cluster. People really enjoy like the Mexican fence posts when they're clustered together. So here's another one. And then you can see I just kind of stack them up on this cart here, kind of like how they are on the pallet. And then we will plant them into 5 and 15 gallon buckets accordingly. So yeah, one of my favorite plants is the Mexican fence post. That's why I get so many here at the nursery, but they're easy to sell. Very, very popular. There's a good one. But yeah, you can see the great condition that we get these plants in. They are really packed with care. It's actually surprising how good they are at packing these without any damage, any of them broken, smushed, none of that stuff. That's a beauty right there. Yeah, I might have to take some of these home to my house. They're really nice specimens. And then I speed up the rest of the video. It's just me offloading the remainder of the pallet. And yeah, I just want to remind you guys, like and follow the page. I'm trying to build it out for more subscribers. I think next I'm going to try to do a few grafting videos, because I know you guys really enjoy those. I'm probably going to do a couple seed grown videos too of some saguaros I've been working on, and maybe I'll even graft some of the saguaros, who knows. So yeah, definitely like, subscribe, and if you guys have ideas on content that you want, comment and I will respond. Yeah, I just want to make cool educational content that helps you guys plant and graft and learn about how to take care of your cactus. So Yeah, so don't forget to like the page, guys. CactusUncle.com for small bare root cactus cuttings. Nothing quite this big is on the site, but you can always come down to the nursery in Phoenix. You guys have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.